Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Project 460. Today, if you watched my last video, you know what the mod is. Also, you can see by the title, they are called Timbren Active Off-Road Bump Stops. That's the full name, trust me. To me, this is one of those purchases that I don't know if I can actually justify it. Because it's like over $330 for this. I believe they call them active because of the little flex. If your suspension is under heavy load, you're towing something heavy or hit some kind of pothole too hard, your suspension collapses, and this guy supposedly is supposed to support it or make it more cushiony. Can't talk quality, don't know nothing about them. Three pieces, basically the brackets right here on the bottom, this dish looking washer, and this rubbery piece, all held by this big bolt inside, and comes with these two guys to hold it to the frame. Without further ado, let's do this mod. We're gonna take off this bolt. There is a one same on the other side. Remove these and install the new ones. So let's see how that goes. You take your wheels off, it's much easier. You can do it from the other side, but I'm just too lazy. Screws are in, hopefully you can see. Yeah, it's a battery to access, so if you really doing this, take off your wheel, would definitely make your life easier. But these are new bump stops. How useful they are, only time will tell. I will keep you guys updated. I don't think they're gonna be $300 useful, but what do I know? We will find out. My suspension is on a higher level. I'm gonna show you how low it gets on a normal setting. Alright guys, to conclude the video, this is how I usually drive in normal settings. Big mod coming in a couple weeks. I'm gonna have you guys with me. Besides that, that's all from me. Thank you for spending your time with me. Thank you for watching, and see you guys very soon. Bye bye.